Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are on day 23 of our 30 days of beauty and today's is eyeshadow. And I have, as you have previously seen, I have quite a few eyeshadow palettes, but I wanted to dedicate this video to one eyeshadow palette in particular. Oh good gosh, it's covered in dust. It's covered in dust, okay. And that is this. This is the Nikkie Tutorials and BeautyBay palette. I have had this palette since my birthday. Christmas? I can't remember if I got it for my birthday or for Christmas. Last year. November, December time last year. And I have not even opened it to swatch it. I don't know why. I've just had such a grump when it comes to eyeshadows and playing with eyeshadow. I've got dust on my face now. It had dust on it. I've just had such a grump when it comes to eyeshadows just because I don't want to play and make a beautiful eye look to then just sit in the living room and not be able to go out wearing it. I don't know. You know, I'm just grumpy about it. I need to stop being grumpy and actually use the palette, look at the palette. I might not even like the palette and just see what I can create. If you are new here to my channel, please, I highly recommend that you subscribe and let's play with this palette. I'm going to go and do my base and everything first, and then we'll play with the palette. Okay, I've zoomed you in slightly. I have my base on, just a little bit of concealer, the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter. Can you guess what I used for my contour? Yes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour. I used that. It is slightly red. That darkest shade is a little bit red. I just set it with the Kat Von D contour, and what else did I do? Sorry, I've got a mirror over here as well. That was it. I have done nothing else. That's it. And a little bit of powder, but I've not powdered around my eyes or under my eyes yet. Sippies. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to pull my bra straps back up. I've pulled my bra straps down because I thought it looks a bit like obscene with just my bra straps out, but my bra was falling down and my boobs are falling out, so that's really uncomfortable. So you're gonna have to live with my bra straps out. I know some people get very funny about that sort of thing. Okay, so on to the palette, the Nikkie Tutorials and BeautyBay palette. Let's open this up. Oh my god, I hope it's not broken or anything. That would be really annoying. Keep the box. I always keep the box. So it's come with a little card, and that's quite cool. So I don't know whether you can see, but on the card is each of the shade names, and then it's got a little symbol underneath, whether it's better to apply with a brush or your finger, or whether it can be. So there's a few there that they say should, you know, for a better application, maybe use your finger. This is what the palette looks like. Everyone has seen the palette before. It's not new by all means. And then you open it up and this is the colours inside. So I do believe so that's genius, isn't it? This side, the mirror is normal. This side, the mirror is close up. I don't know whether I can show you. Normal, close up. So it, yeah, That's quite ingenious. I have obviously seen looks done with this palette. It's got an orange. Oh, I love an orange. So I'm going to swatch a couple. Let's go Redemption. That's that orange. Nice. I'm just going to do one little swatch. I know swatches don't do much, but I do like a swatch. Just gives me a rough idea of the actual shade, the actual undertone that you're dealing with. Sometimes you can't see it. That's that yellow. That is nice. Whoa. Oh, this is a duochrome. Don't know whether you'll be able to see that. Jeez. Oh my gosh, look at that colour. That's amazing. That is so nice. Okay, one more. Let's go with that shimmering blue. Whoa, they're quite chunky feeling. Wow. Okay. That's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm wanting to do an eye look, but I don't want anything too oof, because it's just during the day. I'm going to pick kids up from school. I'm not gonna hang around doing like a double cut crease or anything like that. I just want to try out this eyeshadow palette and do a nice simple look. I'm going to use my new BH Cosmetics brushes as well. Do you want me to zoom you in more into my eye? I've got the blind closed, so it could be a little bit dark in here. However, if I have the blinds open, let me show you. If I have the thing open, ooh, it's very, whoa, I can't see a thing. Oh, that's very bright, very bright. So I have to close it. I'll have it open a little bit. I'm just going to first go in with this shade here, which is Basic Trot. Oh, that's dusty. Oof, that's got a lot of kickback. And I'm just going to pop that into the crease. That is pretty much my skin tone. Let me zoom you right in, as far as I can zoom in anyway. Right. So as you can see, I've just popped that on into my crease and you really can't see much of a difference there. So I wouldn't say that it's not chalky or anything like that. I'm going to go in with Redemption, which is that orange. I bet you didn't think that I was going to go in with that. On this outer here. And just winging it out slightly. I've pretty much brought that about 3/4 of the way along my eye. And then just using that same brush, I'm going to go into that yellow and I'm going to bring that into that front. Just tappity tap to blend them together. Just there. That yellow isn't too of a neon yellow. It's a little bit in between. I'm just dipping backwards and forwards into the yellow and into the orange. I haven't actually primed properly, I've just used concealer. I'm just going to use a little pencil brush, I think. I'm going to go into 5 AM, which is like the dark brown, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer V a little bit. I'm going to build up that yellow again. And then that orange again. What do I want to do on the bottom? The blue. Like, not the glittery blue, the very light blue. It's called Plot Twist. It's like a periwinkle or Tiffany blue. Is that going to look rubbish? I don't know. Probably. This is where I fuck up all the time, and I'll add something that just, I think, you know what, I'm gonna be a rebel, and then it looks absolute rubbish. So I'm gonna go in with that blue. I guess if it's absolutely awful, then I can remove it. Oh, it's really light. Really light. That's not what I had in mind at all. Okay, no. Scrap that then. Look, you can't hardly see it. I'm going to go with the darker blue, which is called Amsterdam. Gosh, I might regret this very much, so just dump it along. It'll be fine. No. Oh, I don't know. Is it awful? I actually don't think it's that awful. I'm going to go back in with that dark blue and really just pop that right near the lash line. Actually, I'm going to go and just do it on this outer third. Yeah. Okay. Fills up good. Okay, and then into that Plot Twist one, and that's going to go at the front. So that's what we've got so far. So then what are we going to use for that highlighter colour? I'm going to go in with Underground. Oh my gosh, I just went to put my brush into that one. Look. It's really squidgy. Maybe I should use my finger really. Right, let me see what it's like with the brush. Brush has hardly picked up anything. The brush hardly picks up anything. Okay, great. And then I choose my biggest finger. To try and pop it there. Great. Yep, that's made a mess. Fabulous. Love that. I don't like that. I'm going to remove that. Right, let me just go and fix this. Try and use a tiny little brush. And I'm going to go in with Ivy. Very squidgy. Ivy is like a white, and see what that one's like. See, how am I supposed to use that in the inner corner if it doesn't pick up with a brush? Yes, I can use my finger, but my finger is not that great at shrinking to the size of my inner corner. I mean, it's definitely going on. It's gone on. It's gone on. Obviously, it's going to pack a better punch if I was to use my finger. It does say in the card to use your finger. As I said, it's difficult to use your finger for in the inner corner. Let's see if I can use it on my brow bone. Oh, that's a lot. Oh yeah, it's got a bit on my eyelash. That's a little much. If you dig into that shade, you end up pulling off chunks, which is definitely something that you don't want to do. So you've just got to be very careful. I guess it's just playing about and seeing what brush works best for the situation. So it's picked up chunks. I haven't even dug into it. I just like kind of tapped. Okay, I'm going to stop building that up, otherwise I'm going to literally blind people in Mars with my highlight. It is beautiful. It is very beautiful. Oh, I've got a chunk. Oh gosh, how annoying. I'm going to stop that right now. That is what we've got for that eye look. I'm going to pop on some mascara. I don't think I'm going to do eyeliner. I'm going to skip eyeliner, Rebel, and I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Gimme brow through my brows. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me get some light. The sun's kind of gone in now a bit, so maybe if I open the blind just a tad, just so you can see. I popped on a lip. This was just, I think it was Spice. Just a lip liner, a Rimmel lipstick, and the Barry M lip mask, a blush and some highlighter. The blush I think was the Too Faced one, and the highlighter was the MAC one that I showed you the other day. This is the finished look and it's pretty. I like that palette. I'm definitely going to do some more eye looks with that one. Let me know what colours that you would like me to use, what colours you would like to see. That's all for the video today. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks, bye.